Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to connect domain to your Wix website. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, log into your Wix account. Here you can see I have several websites and select the site you want to connect the domain. But before, you need to keep in mind your site should be upgraded to premium 1. Otherwise you can't connect domain to your Wix website. Okay, then select the site and go to the dashboard. Now you can see here on the bottom, connect your domain to a website. Okay, now I'll show you how to do that. And you can see on the left side, settings. Click on that. Then now you can see here, connect domain. Click on that. Okay, here you have two options. You can buy a new domain name or connect a domain you already own. Here I have already purchased a domain from porkbun.com. So here I'm going to connect a domain I already own. Okay, let's see how to do that. Click on that. Okay, here you need to type your domain name correctly, but you need to make sure type your domain name spellings correctly. Better if you can copy paste here. Okay, I'm going to copy paste my domain here. Okay, then click on next. Okay, here they are giving instructions. It says your part is 5 minutes and it will say time until domain is fully connected up to 24 hours. Now click on start. Okay, here you have 4 steps to complete, then you can connect your domain. First one is, it says first step is log into your domain provider. Say open a new tab in your browser, go to your domain provider site and log in. Come back here for the next step. Here I have already logged into my domain provider. I bought domain from porkbun.com. So I click on I logged in. Okay, now step 2, find your domain setting page. Okay, again I click on I found my domain settings. Now step 3, find your name servers. Here you need to find name servers on your domain name. For that you need to go to the domain provider. Here I bought domain from porkbun.com. I have 2 domains. This is the domain I want to connect. You can see here on the right side details. Click on that. Now you can see here authoritative name servers. Here you can see it has default 4 name servers. Click on edit. Now you need to delete these name servers and replace Wix name servers here. Now come to Wix tab and click on I found the name servers. Here you can see 2 Wix name servers. Copy these 2 name servers and paste on your domain name. Okay, copy and paste here. That's it. Now again come to the Wix tab. Then click on I have replaced my name servers. Okay, now it's verifying connection. Your part is done. Now it says your site will be live worldwide by the end of the day. Okay, but I checked my site after 5-10 minutes and site has connected to the domain. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up and please subscribe my channel.